Today I'm going to be playing in the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. It looks like this. I got it from Ulta. I ordered it online. Ulta never does me wrong. I paid $20 for this palette, and these are the shades that come in the palette. Really nice. I have one other Juvia's Place palette. It's the Masquerade palette, and the pigmentation on that is mwah, mwah. So I was looking to plan some more eyeshadows, try a different palette, just anything. I was looking at a lot of different brands, like from Kylie Cosmetics to what else was tickling me, from Huda Beauty, and I came across this and I was like, you know what, let me play in this. So looking at the palette, I really want to do something like wearable, like date night, nothing like really like too bold, you know. I really couldn't pull off no bold. Well, I could, but I really want to do something like cute and just pretty, like feel like a girl, you know. I think I'm going to start with my eyes first because that's what I normally do. I'm going to go and prime my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape. That will not go away. Shape Tape for the longest. I mean, this is the last hurrah. After this month, I'm just trashing it. I feel like it's getting down to the nitty gritty, but every time I fucking take it out, it's giving me enough. So this, like I said, this palette was $20. It doesn't have a mirror in it. I don't think any of their palettes have mirrors in it. It snap closed like this, kind of like a paperback book kind of like material. It clicks back. It came like in like a double plastic bubble wrap inside of this, which I thought was really good. Nothing bad to say. Let me blend out this concealer first. I normally set my eyeshadow with like the lightest shade in the palette. That's the lightest cream color shade in the palette. So I'm going to do exactly what I normally do. I'm going to take this cream shade right here. It's a matte. The name of it is Bitch. This is the shade right here. Wait a minute, guys. That cream shade. Wow, the name of it is Fuck My Life. That's the name, because I could not pronounce that. So we're just gonna, and that's what I normally do. I mean, you can go for a translucent setting powder. You can go for your face powder. I normally just go for the lightest shade if it's around like this shade. I think I will do first is go on with the only transition shade I can go in with. We got about 3, 4, 5. We got 6 shimmers and we have 3 matte shades in this palette. And the only transition shade that I could mess with is Mino and Kano. Kano. So those are the only 2 here that I could mess with. I'm going to go in with this orangey brown shade. And we're going to use this as our transition color. So we're going to go in and we're just going to like go in with this and just use this as, this is more of like my skin tone type shade. It's not really giving me anything. I mean, it's a pretty color, but I like more of like the burnt orangey brown type shades. But let's see, maybe it'll look good blending out the brown. So I'm not going to judge it right off the bat. I want to do a halo eye, but every time I do a halo eye, it never comes out right. And then I get scared and then I stop. But what I think I might do is a halo eye. Like, why not? Might just do a halo eye. Oh, Fucking up. Be quiet, Liz. Let me just build that up a little bit more because it's coming up a little ashy. So what I'm doing is just patting this in and then blending it. Then I'm going to go back and blend out the edges of this with no extra product. Just blend out them edges. And what I'm doing is kind of just like carving out my little halo. And what I want to do is go back into this shade right here and see if it can help me out and just blend out. What little shimmery shade should I go in with? Let's go on with Dia. Let's see if Dia treats us good. I think sometimes I need to be using my finger just to like help this out, because sometimes it just don't work out the way I want it to, but I think it's getting there now. It's getting there. It's getting there. And see, with this halo eye, it's like a hit or miss for me because I have no patience. I'm like, oh my God, it looks fucked up. But I'm just going to go back in and blend out these edges and do it like that. Romantic and pretty, huh? Just blend it out. Color. And just blending it out, because that gold shade kind of went everywhere. Keep blending this out. Let's keep blending this out. Bring this in more and more. Bring this in more and more. Just keep blending it out. Don't see this video, that means I fucked it up so bad that I couldn't show you guys. And sometimes that happens. Sometimes you fuck something up so bad that it's like, bro. What I think I want to do is go in with a different color gold, because I'm not really in love with this gold. But I want to go on with a different color gold just to kind of like marry the two together. And I think the gold that I'm going to go in with is BN. And I think I'm just going to go in with the edges and like marry these two together. I think maybe maybe I'll like it a little better like that with the BN. I think you can see where it like starts and finish. So it's like ha 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 ha. You know? So I think I do like this. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and then come back, guys, okay? So guys, I'm back. This is the look I came up with. It's okay. I mean, I'm not in love with it like I am the masquerade polish, but looking at it I was like, oh yeah, I think it needs like a little bit more transition shades. Like this shade right here don't really pick up on me. I mean, it's okay, but can I get something a little deeper? And then I don't like cool tone browns. I just don't. The shimmers are okay. It's good pigmentation, but I feel like this brown is really blotchy. Like I had to really keep blending and blending, and when I was blending it, it was moving, and I had to go back over and blend it. I tried my best. This look is okay. I'm going to try to go over my liner with this glitter from Urban Decay because I'm not really feeling it, or maybe go over my cut crease. So let me try to go over my cut crease. Yes. So let me just try to go over that cut crease. I like it. I want it to be romantic. I want it to be cute. Bitch. I like this. I just don't want it to get over my lids. I just want it to stay where it's at. Second pump. I forgot this fucking foundation matches me perfectly. I forgot about that. How do that look? Do I look okay? I feel like I look okay. So we're going to go in, we're going to conceal, and we're going to contour, and I'll be right back, guys. We're going to... I hate that. I want to be bronzy too. I do. I want to be bronzy. I want to be bronzy. I want to be bronzy. I want to take a little bit of this bronzer and play with my nose a little bit, like especially like up in here, and just bring it on down. And I want to do the same thing up in here, and then cross over my nose a little bit. I want to take a little bit of highlight and just bronze up that skin a little bit more. A little bit more. I'm going to take that same highlight and go over my brow bone. Are we fucking with blush? We're going to take this NARS Outlaw blush. No, we not. Let me set my face, and then we're going to see. We're going to go in with Sephora Micro Smoothing Powder, and we're just going to set our face. We're going to go back to our eyes. Take this angle brush and we're going to go in with the chocolate color first. And we're just going to it's a small blending brush. And we're going to go in with that transition shade. And we're just going to blend all that out. I think I'm going to go into Amina. All up in there. Oh no, like I'm not feeling it like I want to feel it. Maybe I should put this down here. Guys, this is the finished look. I really like how this look came out. And I really think what turned it up a notch was like the glitter. Like the glitter just made it like pop a little bit more. These things are really good. Just when you apply these Urban Decay glitters, these heavy metal glitters, it goes on so wet. Like you really got to be careful because you can blink, that shit could be everywhere. It's not like when you put it down, it's just going to stay where it's at. So unless you use like a glitter adhesive, this shit, you got to really be careful. I love them. I'm about to get some more. As to go for this palette, I love a warm tone palette, but it's not really a lot I can get away with this palette. I need like a companion palette or like a co-palette to go with this palette for more transition colors. When I first got into makeup, and mind you, I'm not no professional at all. I just like to play in makeup. This is my hobby. I found peace with it. Yes. So I really like how my look came out. The palette, like I said, is $20. It's a black owned business, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is the black owned brand, Juvia's place. They have a lot of nice palettes. I really hear a lot of nice things about them. I did not order this from Juvia's place. I got it from Ulta. They're in Ulta now. I really thought this was like a beautiful palette, but not even paying attention, is not a lot of transition shades for me, but this worked out. So if you're darker than me or my complexion, you need a co-palette to go with this, a co-palette with transition colors that will, work for you. But I like how everything came out, guys. This is the finished look. Thank you for watching my videos. I really like how this came out though, guys. I will see you guys on the next video.